Every day in India, millions of people use digital services, from education portals and banking systems to hospital records and public platforms. Have you ever wondered what kind of technology quietly keeps these systems running day and night? Welcome to the Introduction to Linux course, offered by EduPyramids on Swayam Plus. This course introduces you to Linux, one of the most widely used operating systems in the world. Linux forms the foundation of servers, data centers, cloud platforms, and research systems across industries. Linux is virus-free, highly secure, and provides a highly stable environment. It requires no shutdown or rebooting for any software updates. So, it is the #1 choice for servers holding sensitive data which requires to be on 24/7. In fact, India's major IT-based services such as Aadhaar, UPI and CoWIN, and even the Android system that powers our mobile phones are all built on Linux. Today, basic Linux knowledge is expected in many entry-level IT and technical roles. This course is designed especially for beginners using the IEEE recognized self-learning pedagogy Spoken Tutorial, developed at IIT Bombay. By completing this course, you will be able to work confidently with the Linux desktop and terminal, manage files, directories, users and permissions, install and update software on a Linux system, use essential commands like grep, pipes and redirection for everyday tasks. Each concept is taught through short, hands-on spoken tutorials. Spoken tutorials give you a unique opportunity to learn by doing. You can open the tutorial on one side of the screen and practice on the Linux system on the other. So, if you want to build a strong foundation for careers in IT support, cloud computing or system administration, enroll in the Introduction to Linux course on Swayam Plus, offered by EduPyramids, and begin your Linux learning journey today.